Did you know that Neville Goddard actually talked about a method to quantum jump into your dream reality overnight in his books? And today, I'm going to teach you exactly a meditation method that you can do without any track on your own, in exactly how Neville taught it to his students and how he did it himself. Like Neville has mentioned countless of his experiences where he just literally experienced meeting his higher self, where he just became consciousness and was able to shift from his old self to his new self almost instantly. And this is quantum jumping in a nutshell, is it not? Like back then, when Neville wrote his books, quantum jumping or quantum leaping was not a term, but this is literally what he's talking about in this meditation method that I'm going to share with all of you guys today. That's quantum jumping. Okay, so let's dive into Neville's method of quantum jumping that he used to achieve countless miracles in his life, right? So, what is Neville Goddard's quantum jumping method? It's found in his book, Your Faith is Your Fortune, which, by the way, I'm reading right now. If you're on my channel, you must know because the methods that I've been finding, including how to quantum jump, including how to believe in your desire, is what I've been, teaching to my students and now sharing it with all of you guys on how to do it, how you can, you know, make it happen in your life right now. So here is Neville's method of quantum jumping, as I was able to understand from his writing and find out that he's actually talking about quantum jumping. So what Neville says is, if you want to shift realities, meaning if you want to drop your old reality where you're unhappy right now and literally enter a state of having everything that you desire, here's how you do it. First of all, this is best done at night. So when you're laying in your bed, you just lie down and you start repeating the word I am, I am, I am, I am. This is how Neville teaches it, because I am is your whole consciousness. And why does Neville, I mean, I'm now explaining why Neville uses the word I am as repetition, right? So I am is your whole consciousness. Now, this I am has no limits. This I am has no past and no future. It exists in the now. And this is the version of you which is unlimited, the pure subconscious energy that once you reach, as per Neville, you can direct into creating a new reality. So basically, he's asking you to go to your basic program, the basic thing which has no limitations, no identity, nothing, right? It's just your consciousness of being who you are. That's I am, right? So when you keep repeating the word I am, I am, I am, I am, basically it's like a trance state or a deep meditative alpha brainwave state, okay? So this is how I was able to connect his old teachings with quantum jumping. He is literally saying that via repetition of some word that does not mean much to you, you can enter alpha brainwave states. Now, a pro tip here that will help you, that I have discovered through my readings on the subconscious mind's working, is that when this is also known as the Silva method. You can find the Silva method on my channel. But when you focus your eyes upwards, and I think it's about counting from 10 to 1, but you can do it for like 10 to 20 seconds. This pose, physical pose, helps you enter alpha brainwave states, right? So you can do this, repeat the word I am, I am, I am, and you will enter the alpha brainwave state. What Neville says is that you enter this consciousness of yours by when you reach a mental state where you are not really conscious of your reality, you're just conscious of being present in the moment, right? Like you're not conscious of your limitations, you're not conscious of your past, none of that. Just keep repeating, you keep repeating, you keep repeating, you go into the alpha brainwave state. Do it for like, don't set a timer. You will get the feeling. You'll get the feeling when you are at deep peace and you're very, very relaxed, right? That's when this happens. This, when you reach the state, when you're really, really relaxed, and this will come with practice, as you do it daily, you'll start reaching that state. It's so blissful, by the way, guys. Try it. I'm telling you, you feel so much at peace, you feel so good. and no sort of stupidity crosses your mind. So once you reach this state, by the way, what you're going to do is think about your new state in I am affirmation terms. That's what Neville teaches. And I completely do the same because I am affirmations are so damn powerful. They reprogram your reality so quickly. So let's say you are trying to get money. So I am rich, I'm financially free, I'm financially independent, I am abundant, money flows to me easily. I am a client magnet, I'm a money magnet, I'm a magnet to all wonderful opportunities, I'm a magnet to right opportunities. And then you start repeating these, and if you can visualize as well, and do this until you feel the state set, right? Meaning you completely, it's like when you were a kid and you would do the play alongs, like you would just play a character and then you felt totally into it. This is what acting as if means also, right? Like you're totally into it. So keep repeating this till you are totally into it. And that's when you have shifted. That's when, sorry, that's when a strong neural pathway has been created. And as you repeat this exercise, you will literally collapse timelines. When I read this, I realized this is what quantum jumping is. This is what really happens when you quantum jump. You completely drop the old and you are completely onto the new and you are all in on it. Become that child that you were through the alpha brainwave state and the repetition of the word I am via meditation. Become that child who absolutely believed in the relentless possibilities of the world, and you will when you follow the first step of repeating the I am and going into the alpha brainwave state. Program yourself with the new, see the magic. By the way, I've done this for one day, and on one of my YouTube channels, one of my videos literally is doing exceptionally well. Like it has, it's a new channel. I've recently started sharing consistent videos on it, and I think it's just my 10th or 12th video, and it's already like when I used to get like 30, 50 views, I'm already at 600 plus views at the time I'm recording this. It works instantly. I mean, it hasn't even been a day since I posted that video. Try it out. You'll see amazing results. This, by the way, is Neville Goddard's quantum jumping method. So try it out. See the magic. It works, by the way. I know it works. I've tried it like just for a couple of days, and that's why I'm talking about it to you right now. I don't want you to miss out on it anymore. I've tried it for a couple of days and it's done things already. So I'm excited to see what it does in the future. But give it a try. This is Neville Goddard's quantum jumping method. So have fun. Comment Master Manifestor, subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, by the way, share it also. And if you'd like to book personal coaching or join my manifestation challenge, then check the description box for all the details, and I will see you again soon in your new quantum jump reality, because this literally works so damn quick. Bye.